Imagine waking up on your very own lakefront cabin in Maine. Just the sound of loons, the ripple of water, and the peace you've been dreaming of. Welcome to 317 Pug Lakes Road in Lakeville, a hidden retreat tucked away on the shores of Upper Pug Lake. This cabin sits on nearly 13 private acres with close to 500 feet of your own lake frontage. Lakeville itself is a quiet little town, home to just over 100 year-round residents, making it one of Maine's best-kept secrets. Out here, you'll find endless lakes, tall pines, and those wide-open views that make you feel miles away from everything. Built in 2004, the cabin offers about 1,400 square feet of rustic charm with all the comforts you need. Inside, you'll find 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and a warm cedar finish that gives you that log cabin feel without all the heavy upkeep. There's a cozy porch for morning coffee, a direct vent gas heating system, and even on-demand hot water. Power comes from a Bluetti portable battery system, easily charged by generator or solar, so you'll never have to worry about being left in the dark. Step outside, and the land is a perfect mix of woods and open space, cleared right down to the shoreline. From your private dock, you'll enjoy wide open views of Upper Pug Lake, a peaceful 50-acre lake that's perfect for paddling, swimming, or fishing. Whether you're chasing bass, perch, or pickerel, it's a great spot for both beginners and seasoned anglers. A couple of sheds give you plenty of storage, and the property already has a well and septic in place, so moving in is easy. And if you ever want to explore beyond your own shoreline, you'll have access to even more lakes nearby, like Lombard, Lower Pug, and Upper Sysladobsis. Whether you're looking for a seasonal getaway or a 3 to 4 season retreat, this property gives you the peace, the privacy, and the pure Maine lifestyle you've been searching for.